Switching from the body, we work at this party, so come and show me your moves. Cause the things I can teach you too. If you wanna see, you see me a shot of the head.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marie, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm bringing you another hair review. This is going to be a wig that was sent to me by Ishow hair. So before we even get into the details and specs of this, so as I said, this wig was sent to me by Ishow hair, and I don't have the package. I accidentally threw it out, I ain't gonna lie. The package was this normal box that said Ishow hair, and inside came the wig and came a wig cap, and that was really it. So this is what the hair looks like on me. When I first was doing the wig and I had washed it, I was kind of iffy because the hair didn't really feel as good. Kind of felt really brittle and dry, but then once I flat ironed it, it's like the most silkiest hair I've ever touched. But however, this is a Y wig or a T wig. I'm not sure which to reference it as, but basically you have your lace right here and you have just a lace part and that's it. There's nothing else. I didn't glue this down just because I'm gonna take this off at the end of the night, but if you were to glue it down, it's definitely doable. Overall, I do like this hair, but I'm kind of like because I like, you know, a 13x4 part or a 13x6 part, but it's all good. This wig still works. Came out super cute. This was their blunt cut 14-inch bob, and the part was pretty cool too. I actually went back and bleached some of the knots out. I'll put in a little video. It really wasn't that much to bleach, but I did it anyways. And I also have a video on how I styled it. I ended up curling it before, but then I was like, nah, I think for the video I'm gonna just straighten it. So that's what I did. Like I said, overall really good hair. I do like this hair a lot. I just wish there was more parting space because I think you could do a lot more with it, but you know, it's cool. This wig was really not that pricey. I'll have all the information for it in my description box, so be sure to check that out. Let's just get into how I styled the wig. Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel by now, I don't know what let me know down below. And that's really gonna be all for this video, so I'll just see y'all in the next one. Peace out.